Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will teach you how to make cookie bars. For this recipe, you need two layers, the brownie layer and the cookie layer on top. And then you also need a square baking pan. This is 9-inch. Yan, uunahin natin si brownie to mix, and then after that, we will top it with our cookie. The ingredients: we need 1/2 cup butter, 2 ounces dark chocolate, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup of your all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 pieces whole eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's for our brownie layer. For the cookies, we have 1/2 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 piece egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup Barrel's chocolate chips. So first, double boil natin. Let your water boil, and then melt natin here si chocolate and the butter. This will take you around 5 minutes. So once melted, remove na, and then add natin si sugar. After the sugar, sunod natin si egg. Okay? And then use hand whisk na. By the way, nilagay ko na rin si vanilla extract, so egg na. Then after the egg, the rest of the ingredients, si flour, salt, and your cocoa powder. Then, spread sa baking pan with aluminum foil. Then, after the brownie layer, let's proceed to the cookie layer. So first, mix natin or i-cream natin si butter and the brown sugar. So, we will do creaming method for at least 3 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, mix na natin si egg. Then you can also put na the vanilla extract. Let's scrape the sides. Then, mix natin here si flour, soda, and the salt. Then, hinaan mo, tapos hulog na si dry ingredients. Then, do not overmix your cookie. Then, fold na natin si choco chips. Half muna ha, or at least 3/4 muna. Then, get your gloves. Lagay na natin on top sa brownie layer. Go. Spread natin. Yung sobrang choco chips, add natin on top. Then, let's bake this one around 20 minutes at 350. It's done already. Yan, bake na. Okay, so after pina-cool down, chinil ko konti. So, ito na yung labas niya. Maganda na siya i-slice. So, yan. Kitang-kita yung dalawang layer, the brownie and the cookie dough. There you go, our cookie bars. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!